Hello, thank you very much for purchasing our machines from our factory. So we are going to introduce you our semi-automatic labeling machine for round bottles. This video is instruction about how we install it. So we will pack the machines directly just like this. 这里拆不拆不拆的吧？这里拆不拆的？
这个不用拆，
打包
扭松两颗螺丝，这样摆过来。往那边摆一下，到时候它就是。
Okay.
装回去。
So we just release these two screws and just let the roller like this to save the space while we are packaged. So you just release these two screws and make it like this. Then it is okay. Okay. So after you get our machines, first of all, you should install the labels on the machine. 开始吧。So please watch carefully about the direction of the labels, how it's going. Mm.
你这里。这样还要把这个锁紧。
And after you set your labels done and
一定要锁紧。
screw it tight.
把这个套进去。这个下面也是一样。
And then
扭紧。
make sure this part is press the labels tight.
拉紧。
就一个压标而已是吧？
对，就一个压标。
等一下啊，我拍一下。Go directly to the bottom, and then here up once again, like this, and to here. Okay. So we use manual to adjust the machine. So we use manual 1. So now you will see it is not done. You can see one is cannot finish. I mean cannot go out one full label. And then we just adjust it a little bit down, and then you will see it is finished. And if we go up a little bit, and then you will see shorter, right? So we just make the sensor a little bit down, and then press once again. So still a little bit. Now you will see it is perfect, just like it in this position. So now and then we put this roller back. And then put your bottles on the machine and make sure that your bottles cannot press the knife, the labeling knife.
压到刀的话，它就断表。像这个也没压到。
Cannot press. Make sure. 哦。
这合适。
And then adjust the bottle sensor in the right position.
And
the rules for you to adjust this part is make sure that the labels it is in the middle of the this pressing part. And your bottles. If you want to do the labeling on your bottles a little bit bottom, then we just adjust it like this. And if you want to do the labeling on the top of the bottles, then we adjust it like this. Okay. So adjust the right position as you want. And release these two screws and put the pressing part on top.
拍得到吗？你拍到吗？
And then press this button,
拍到这样，
the first
底
button.
下来，
And then you will see
下来，
the pressing head will go down, and then
这个压在这个两个压在那个标的中间可以了。
什么？
就这两个棍呐，压在这个标的中间去，有没有？
Okay. And then make sure that these two rollers will going to press the labels like this, top and bottom.
这个压下来把它锁紧。
And then lock it. Screw it tight.
这两个条它就是这样，这中间这压在瓶子中间。
And make sure that
再弹下去，弹下来，这样拉它，好像有点松，有没有？松的话都不行。
so make sure it is tight enough.
压下来
And just adjust it, release it, and make the pressing
拉
head.
不动了，
See, it is tight. We need it to be tight.
再返回，点启动。操，这个是一个圆的，启动这个点错那个。
Now we try a test. 行。
你脚踏来，跟那个排下转换脚踏。
If you want to use the semi-automatic model, I mean using the foot pedal to operate the machine,
切换那个。
and then you use the pedal start.
停止先点那停止键。
First of all, you need to press the stop and then press the pedal stop.
按一下。哎，怎么切换不了？换一个。可以，没点到，操。
And now the machine will operate by the foot pedal.
就看你用哪一个。
行了是吧? So that's all for the instruction about how to operate and install the semi-automatic labeling machine for round bottles. Thank you.